Today we talk with Miss Riya Agarwal. Miss Riya Agarwal is a fashion designer and a stylist. Miss Riya Agarwal is the owner of a startup company called Sublimely. She has done her graduation in fashion design from Raffle Millennial International College of Design from Bangalore and did her masters from Institute
Melania.
Marconi, Milan, and she work on handmade outfits and accessories, and she has
And
a keen interest in the area of yeah, in the area of sustainability or sustainable fashion. So it's nice to talk to you, Miss
yes,
Ria, and
I just want,
this
I just have a
this is
to,
little things about
I just
yeah.
have a token of thank you by introducing you today. Avinash Kumar is a graduate from NIFT, and currently he's pursuing graphic designing, PG in graphic designing from a University of Haryana. And now he's a faculty in NIFT, and he has done many other projects like uh, Jack and Jones and many other projects.
So how did you start your journey of sustainable fashion?
Sustain,
It's a very it's now in a very trendy
yeah.
is sustainable. It's always in fashion, but nowadays due to the COVID and other scenario, the environment issue is very
Yeah.
clear for everyone. So sustainability is in fashion and trends
Firstly,
nowadays.
sustainability is not an just not an idea. It's a culture, it's a lifestyle, it's something which should be accessible to everyone. Yeah, and for me, I want to believe the idea came into my mind by believing in it. If I don't believe in it, then I would not follow it. I just want to save, like, I want to,
Yeah, seriously, we have to
yeah,
connect
yes. If you
emotionally
want to do
this
something,
subject.
you need to put yourself in the situation, like, you have to give your 100%. If I take this step, then I'm saving the planet Earth where we are living in, because there's a lot of, like, issues, environmental issues, which will rise up in future if we don't take care of it now. Yeah. So, like,
Yes, yes,
even
right,
in
right.
fashion, there are like
Yes.
many things which affects the environment, like pollution. It creates pollution, textile waste. Less than 1% of fashion is recycled, which is not good, and rest of the fashion is dumped. It's wasted. So recycling, upcycling, utilizing natural fabrics, natural dyes, which is very important to save the earth. We should take a step forward.
Yeah, there are so many
Yeah,
methods to use sustainable, uh, as you said,
yeah.
like
Literally
recycling,
2,700
reuse.
liters of water is
Yeah,
wasted in making one cotton sheet.
sometimes,
So it's just,
yeah, yeah. So, what is your process? What do you follow
I
in your business
I
with
upcycle the
sustainability?
fabric. I use natural dyes. I
Yeah,
use natural fabrics. The method, like, I use cotton threads to stitch the fabric. I make sure, like, whenever I get the embroidery and everything done, it's not, I don't use much of plastic. Like, I avoid using plastic in the embellishments. I use pure fabrics, and this is how, like, I convey a message through my designs to my clients that it's very important to follow. I literally force them, like, force them to follow sustainable fashion because it's good for everyone.
when we start this type of business, we have to follow
Yeah,
100%. We have to
yes,
determined and motivated always to follow and make sure our the employee also follow and our customer
yes,
also understand our feelings about the environment.
yes.
Yeah. So the next question is, what is your advice to the people who want to venture into sustainable fashion
I
business?
know, it's like, yeah,
Means
I know
newcomers,
it's
any
like a lot of investment in sustainable fashion, but somewhere I believe like that investment is worth, because in future they have to think wisely that everything whatever we are doing, like we are using synthetic fabrics, everything is gonna, like, the production will close. Everyone should follow sustainable fashion from now, and one should believe in sustainability. Then they can actually work on it.
Yes.
Believing in that thing and
So,
doing is something different, and following it blindly is something different. You'll not get the good outcome.
so many persons are buying so many things,
They
but
don't
they
have the
don't have the
knowledge.
idea of
Yeah.
what is yeah, knowledge actually, कि what is good, or what is handmade product, which fabric is
Yeah.
from handlooms and which fabric is used as a hand
Hmm.
power looms. So difference between designers and replica is there in the market. So many places, so many things made by the handlooms or made by
Hmm.
the weavers, but it's replicated in a different way and sell it
Yeah.
into the market. So what is your view on the designers and the replica things?
Designers have a different finish. They have a story. So,
Okay.
like the designer clothing, they have a story behind every design. The craftsmanship, the tailoring, the embroidery, the fabric used, everything is like high quality fabric. They want to promise their clients, they want to give their best to their clients. And replica is something you might have some or the other default. You can see the stitching, you can see the raw ends, you can see the embroidery, you can see the fabric. There'll be a lot of difference in fabric. Designers have that money worth, like, and replicas are cheaper. Designer fabric is expensive again to make a difference.
We go to the market, we generally see the when we generally see the fabric or the garment
Yeah,
inside
yes.
out. Means we'll
Af yeah,
approach the garment and then see which kind of seam is there.
yeah,
Is there French seam or it's
yeah,
a normal
yeah.
seam? We see the every
Finishing is very
details, but
important.
normal people
And
doesn't.
the designers,
Yeah,
the fitting
but
is very
normal people doesn't
perfect.
understand. Yeah,
Fitting is very perfect. Designer
yeah,
wear.
yeah, yeah. Designers work on the pattern making a lot,
Yeah.
and then the stitching parts
Tailoring,
or
yeah.
technical
The
aspects.
label, the brand value,
But
everything counts. If you use a good
yes,
fabric,
yes, yes.
your brand value increases. People start trusting you.
So, do you think that outfits are exclusive and
Yes.
expensive? New outfit made up of old outfit sometimes will replicate from old
I
outfits
feel, I
as
feel,
make some
yeah, like
sustainable things.
making new outfit from the old outfit. Like usually, I believe upcycling the fabric is the best way to go one step forward in sustainable fashion. Like I use a fabric, like many clients come to me, what should I do of this sari? It's 5.5 meters and it's getting wasted. I was like, okay, because saris are not in trend, too much in trend. So they want to make something else out of sari. They are utilizing that 5.5 meters in something, and they are getting something very latest and trendy. The fabric is being waste. The fabric is being utilized. It is not getting waste. We are upcycling the fabric. So this is how we can use like old fabrics to make a new pattern.
How many people are there watching? So many people. Prashant is there, Aditi is there. Hello, Aditi. Hello.
Pushkar.
Yes, Misra, Puskar. Hi, my voice is
No, it's
low. It's now
audible.
it's
Yeah, it's very
clear.
audible.
We are talking about the designer outfit and expensive
Yeah,
things. It's come from the
yeah.
fabric actually. So where you source all the fabric and what the main aspect in the fabric you see
See,
actually,
when
uh, which type of fabric you
I
want to
usually
purchase
purchase, I
for
usually
your business.
purchase cottons. I usually want to go in, like, I usually want natural fabrics, because if I give a good, like, good outfit to my client, then I would get a better response. So I prefer using like designer fabric or cotton fabric or natural fabric. I avoid using synthetic fabric, polyester fabric, rayon fabric, which is actually not natural, and that is where the problem rises. And expensive fabrics have
Yeah.
a feel, comfort, durability, and it looks very rich. And I know many designers nowadays use like duplicate fabric, like rayon, polyester, like artificial fabric and natural fabrics. They make a mixture of both of them into designing, which is good, but it's not durable. So I prefer buying fabrics
Okay.
from Delhi, Bombay, and if I have like a client order, like I buy it from Hyderabad. It's not like wholesale or retail store, whatever, wherever I go, I like it, and that's how my costing becomes. And like few people are okay paying it, few people are
Okay.
not okay paying it. I even have like vendors from Jaipur, Udaipur, Delhi who send me pictures on WhatsApp, and that's how I get them because I have met them and I know the quality of fabric is very fine. So that's how I trust them.
Some new people are joining, like Rajesh is there, Soumya, Sonali,
Hey,
and
Suparna is my ma'am.
so
Like she was
many
in
people.
faculty, she was my
Super.
faculty, my design
Oh,
faculty. She used to teach me.
okay. Say hi to
Yeah.
them.
Hi, Suparna ma'am.
So you are visited so many countries also. You were studied in Milan. You
Yes.
are studied in Singapore and so many places. Do you find any difference? Like
Yeah.
India have a different thing,
Yes.
different type of customer. In the point of customer view,
Yes.
you find any difference from
Yes.
Milan and
In
India and
India, people are
Singapore?
very sensible buyers. In Milan, people want luxury. Like people want to wear like designer clothing because they earn that much. And for them, like leisure is very important. Like going out after work, going out, meeting their friends. And they have a system called aperitivo where they go for like a drink and for some snacks that is in the evening, which is very important to refresh their routine from work. So, people buy there. They are very like, bindas कि हाँ मुझे खरीदना है. I want to wear what I want to wear. They don't think so much like Indians, and they wear
Yes,
good
yes.
stuff, really good stuff like Gucci, Prada, Armani. I literally went to supermarket and a lady was wearing Gucci and Prada का bag carry करके she was coming, and I was like, oh my God, यहाँ के लोग कितने ज़्यादा like शौकीन है ये सारी बड़ी बड़ी brands कपड़ों के. That is why वहाँ पे ये trend है fashion. That is why it's a fashion hub.
Now Ripu is joining. Hi Ripu. Once Manish is here and Anmol Agarwal is there, and so many people are stay connected, guys. So about here, generally most of the people's coming from the lower middle class people. They are busy in their
Yeah.
earnings. So they are not much enjoy the fashion. Fashion is here in India. Fashion comes later after. Okay, so it's just say something about the styling part.
Yeah, like I can give you few hacks of styling. Like, uh, I can just say you few tips and all which everyone can use it in daily life. Like you can belt your layers if you're wearing a top, t-shirt, jacket, dress, and then you're wearing a scarf. You can just belt it down and make it look a little more stylish. These are the basic things. Cuff your jeans from down. If you're wearing a t-shirt, just tuck in your t-shirt, wear a belt, fold your cuffs from down, bottom near the ankle, wear a shoes, and you're ready to go. Not your oversized t-shirt and make it like a crop top, which is very basic, and I've seen on Instagram it's becoming very common. But that is a good style, like good way of styling. Then you can show your socks from the boots, like just make your socks peep out from the boots because nowadays you're getting like many graphic printed socks, which is like very funky. So, you can show off your socks and you can wear your boots and then put your cuffs of your jeans up and you can style it. And then you can combine your basics with trendy. You can combine your party wear with formal, formals with party wear. You can do anything. You can add different colors. You can add pink and purple top and bottom, like yellow and red. You can do anything. That is called styling. You just have to experiment. You just have to just explore your cupboard.
So lots of new people are joining. Chavi, Ripu, Manish, Projen, Avi, Saket, hello, Vishal, and Bhakti Agarwal.
Yeah, she's my cousin.
So the next thing in styling, we have to always in trends and we have to change every day. Uh, always think
So
differently.
yeah, so yes. So
Yes.
there are few websites where you can see fashion trends like everyday fashion changes like every day. So you need to know like the basic terms of styling because we have few rules and regulations in styling which we have to follow. Yeah, like
Yeah.
few colors won't go with few colors. Like wearing bold with bold will look too much. Just to balance it, we have few theories in styling, so we follow that.
We have to follow the element of designs and all the
Yeah, yes.
concept
The
which we are
cuts and
learning
all.
in
If
the
they,
first semester
yeah,
or
if
second
there's
semester.
draping above, the
Yeah.
draping cannot be below. You should wear something simple just to balance the whole out. The balancing theory. Yeah, the
Draping is the main
balancing
thing.
theory.
Yeah. How
Yeah.
you drape the things. Yeah.
Too much up and too much in the bottom would
So
not look good. It'll be too much.
in your business, how you have certain idea about the marketing and
Yeah.
promotions. So how you develop the marketing and promotions
I feel like nowadays,
in
like
your
obviously
business?
because of pandemic, going digital is a good choice, good option. I feel Instagram, Facebook, online, like you can create a website of your brand, which I was about to do it, but because of this pandemic, I couldn't. And if there was no pandemic, you could have started with exhibitions, pop-ups, because you tend to meet a lot of people, communicate with a lot of people, and like, people come to know that, okay, this brand exists. That is how, like, promotions and marketing is done in like today's world. Yeah, or else go digital or start putting up exhibitions and pop-ups. Now, because of pandemic, everyone are going digital. So that is a good way of promoting your brand.
Yeah, actually nowadays it's not a limitation for anyone who don't have
Yeah.
a website and who don't know about the website or anything. So we can use simply like WhatsApp, YouTube, and
Hmm.
Instagram and
Yes.
Facebook. These are all the things very helpful for marketing. Even you doesn't know anything, so you can post
Yeah.
anything. But when you post certain things
Hmm.
in promotions, you like to design certain things, or you like to stylized
It
some
depends
parts when
on the
you clicking the
presentation.
pictures.
No, it's
How
like
you are.
I like to make it presentable. I like to do it because it should be appealing to people who are seeing on Instagram or Facebook or social media. So it's better to make it look good. That is a key factor of a product.
Yeah.
That's how you can sell a product. If it's looking good, then people tend to show interest.
Yeah, while putting all
Yeah.
the colors and while putting
Information,
the
exact
uh,
information.
uh,
Yeah.
text,
Hashtags.
yeah, text or information, or we keep the things like font, which type
Yeah.
of font
Yes.
is we are going to
It's
use,
very
which type
important.
of
Yeah.
background color is
Yeah.
there. Yeah, and when we clicking the pictures, is the background is main important things. It's a product is simple, but we can enhance its quality.
Yeah.
Like when we are styling ourselves, will enhance our quality. We have to enhance product quality also.
Yeah.
So the next thing uh, is sustainable is you think it's sustainable fashion is continue it's easy to continue in business
Yeah,
because I
if you
think there are
follow
lots of
it,
people
if you
yeah,
follow it,
lots of people are thinking about the money only in India. A maximum number of people are follow the money parts or this cheaper parts. Then they understand very little people understand about the
but if they
sustainability and
believe in
the cotton grow
sustainability,
and without pesticide.
if they believe in sustainability, then it's easy to follow. That's what I can say.
But how will make our
We
customer
need
to
to
believe?
talk, we need to make them aware, we need to
It's a
show
very
them the difference between artificial and natural fabric. We need to talk to them. Communication is the best way to show them. And maybe they will understand because in future, I think sustainable fashion is the only key. Like, everyone will follow sustainable fashion slowly. You need to give them time to understand.
yeah.
They need to know how it's affecting our planet.
Actually, nowadays it's everyone is understanding, but still we have as a designer we have to do so many things to understand all the normal peoples and all the customer जिनके लिए हम लोग इतना सारा काम करते हैं और फिर उसकी वैल्यू क्या है वो हमें समझानी पड़ती है. इन अदर फील्ड अगर आप मोबाइल सेल करते हो तो इतना कुछ नहीं समझाना पड़ता जितना गारमेंट सेल
या
करने के
किसी
लिए
किसी को
समझाना
नॉलेज
पड़ता है.
नहीं होती
और
फैब्रिक्स के बारे में. बट
काफी
स्टिल
डिफिकल्ट है
आई
इट्स
थिंक
एज कंपेयर टू द
हमारे
अदर
क्लाइंट्स
फील्ड.
बने होते हैं, ठीक है. वी हैव आवर फिक्स्ड क्लाइंट्स, सो टॉकिंग टू देम विल हेल्प यू.
हम लोग को क्या क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए एज स्टार्टिंग अ बिजनेस मेन थिंग अबाउट फ्रॉम योर साइड when you're doing a
Target
business lots of
market, your
difficulties coming around.
your collection, target market, your budget, your promotions, your marketing, what kind of quality you're giving to people, where are you setting it, the place. You can't price a garment like 10,000 if you're staying in a area where people can't spend 10,000 on the garment. So place matters, people matter, price matters, investment, like invest it in a right place, marketing, assets. You need to
Yeah.
think about everything.
And now it's okay for all the things. Thank you,
Thank you,
Shreya,
sir.
for joining us today.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this night and pleasure to
Same
talk to
here.
you. And you want to say
No,
something
I just
to the
want to say
audience?
thank you. Okay, thank you.
So we'll join in the
Yeah,
next session.
we'll come
We
back
will
with,
back again with some
yeah,
vital
yeah.
information.
Thank you.
Yeah. Till the time, stay safe,
Yes,
stay connected, and keep us smiling
thank you.
always.